All right, so let's do a quick recap of what we're learning in Unit 5. We've talked about slope, rate of change. We've talked about how to graph it, how to get the equation from the graph, and so on. Well, let's start to put this all together. So if we have the equation y equals 2x plus 1, the old way of doing things would be the following. Okay, what we would have done in the past is we would have said y equals 2 times 0 plus 1, which is 1. Put a 1 on the table. Plot the point is 0, 1. And then we'd say, okay, well, x is 1, so y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we plot the point 1, 3. And then we'd say y equals 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 5. So we go 2 and then 5. And then we'd say, okay, well, then 11 has to equal 2x plus 1. We'd subtract 1 to get 10 is 2x, meaning x is 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't want it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can't even fit that one on there anyways. Okay, and then we can graph them. That was the old way. It was creating a table. Now let's take a look at the new way. So for the new way, what we would do is we'd graph our equation by starting at 1 and then going up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, and we'd connect with our line. Okay? And the reason we do that is because then we can easily just fill in our table. When we're at 0, we're at 1. When we're at 1, we're at 3. When we're at 2, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when y is 11, that's still a tough one to answer, okay, because that's still off the graph. We already know it's 5, okay? So the old way had us complete a table, then graph. The new way is to create your graph and fill in your table.